In today's environment more than ever, SMBs need to be mobile. Mobility means being more accessible to your colleagues and customers. It means stronger collaboration with your teammates, and overall it means more productive employees. Now, in addition to a suite of integrated mobility-based features and applications, BCM also offers a number of industry-leading wireless solutions for in or near the office or campus environment. Now, these include both digital and IP-based solutions that help SMBs keep mobile and productive. Now, let's provide a little bit of an overview of these mobility solutions.
This is a Find Me, Follow Me capability where the cellular phone and your desk set are integrated into a single capability. In fact, you can integrate your desk set and many other endpoints like a cell phone or your home phone number in a Find Me, Follow Me capability. In a demonstration that we're going to show you in a second, we're going to deliver an incoming call to your desk set. The desk set will ring, and then under the control of a personal web page, you can fork the call out to your cell phone or your home phone number, etc. When you answer the call on your cell phone, the call will be answered. You'll have the name and number. You can have your conversation and then walk into the office, and in a unique fixed mobile convergence capability, you can press a single button on your desk set and hand the call off in real time to your desk set without dropping the call for a second. It's fantastic. Now let's give a live demonstration of this unique capability on BCM. So Doug's in the lab and he's going to give a call to my desk set. So I've got the name and number of the call from Doug, 71017, coming into my desk set. In real time, the call has been forked out to my cell phone and where I'm going to answer it. Hi Doug.
Good morning, Brian. Are you in the office?
I'm in the car. I'm on my cell phone, and I've just got to my desk, and I'm going to hand off the call from my cell phone to my desk set with a single button push.
Great. I was going to send you an Outlook in early this afternoon, 1 to 2 o'clock, so we can talk about the BCM 450 sales chart.
So you can see the call was handed off in real time from my cell phone to my desk set. With a single button push, the call's released from my cell phone. Now I'm at the point where I'm on my desk set and I'd like to hand off the call back to my cell phone. So I'm going to hit the handoff button. I'm still talking to Doug on my desk set.
I just sent you the Outlook invite. You should have it in your inbox in about 2 minutes.
That's great. Now I'm going to hand off the call to my cell phone.
Early results show that the BCM 450 solution, a scalable converged voice and data solution, seems to be resonating with
That's
the
fantastic. And you can see the call handed off from my desk set to my cell phone. I just pushed the hands-free button on my cell phone, and it was as simple as pressing a button.